Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best carpet cleaner in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these carpet cleaners, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Hosting a party is a great reason to take care of those rug and upholstery stains on your to-do list. Skip the rags, blotting, and scrubbing. The Bissell Spotclean Pro packs the power of a professional-style, full-size carpet and upholstery cleaning machine into an efficient portable unit. Manual scrubbing can push a stain deeper and actually spread the stain. But Spotclean Pro uses water, formula, and suction to loosen and remove stubborn stains. A flexible hose with snap-on tools makes it easy to deep clean small areas that are hard to reach with an upright machine. Spot clean area rugs and cushions with a 3-inch tough stain tool. And zip through stair stains with a 6-inch cleaning tool. The large capacity tanks can be removed together for fewer trips to the sink. They're designed with flat bottoms so they can be easily filled and emptied. Freshen up seat cushions, car interiors, area rugs, and more with Bissell's 2X Professional Deep Cleaning Formula with built-in Scotchguard protector. It works with the penetrating spray and superior suction power of the Spotclean Pro to extract old stains and new spills from heavily used fabrics and rugs. The Spotclean Pro is the most powerful, portable spot cleaner offered by Bissell, and it comes with Bissell's best-in-class 2-year warranty. The Bissell Spotclean Pro, professional style power in the palm of your hand.
Carpets see it all, collecting every memory and every mess, every single day. But getting a fresh start doesn't have to be intimidating. With the Hoover Powerdash carpet cleaner, it's easy to use, and it delivers the impressive deep cleaning power needed to leave tough messes in the past. Hoover's Power Spin Brush Roll scrubs deep into your carpets, while strong suction and heat force cut down on dry time. And Powerdash is super lightweight and compact, so whether you're tackling spills like this, accidents like this, or just giving your home a refresh, it's no big deal with the Hoover Powerdash carpet cleaner. Get impressive results only from Hoover, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover Powerdash carpet cleaner.
Versatility tool helps you clean upholstery, stairs, area rugs, and anywhere else you might have stains or spots. To start, unwrap the Versatility tool from the tool caddy. Connect the solution line to the port next to the tank handle. Open the wastewater port by pulling the black plug out. Line up the icons, then slide in and rotate right to lock into place. Turn the power switch to tool and position the Versatility tool in front of the area or stain you want to clean. Squeeze the soap trigger, then move the tool back and forth. Repeat.